Dog water? Oh shoot, I died to a default gun. I should be ashamed of myself. Hey yo, can you? They be doing doo-doo until you say you about to ace. Alright, hold on, let me turn on my hack real quick. Let me turn on my aimbot. Cause these kids are about to be... Hey, my controller is connected. Alright, it's back. I just got the M4 custom. Yeah. Now I can be Cracker. I'ma act like I didn't see that, okay? Let's act like that didn't happen, okay?
Honestly, I wish there was a campaign for this game, you know? Like kind of like how you have like the whatchamacallit missions where it's like, oh, we'll give us money to I don't know, I wish that's all like we can probably get to you. So
What? How did not my claymore explode? I literally placed it. Yeah, probably. That's why I heard that explosion. Okay, they exploded. Clear. Jeez. Yo, you're fine.
Mom said it's my turn in the orgy. Good job, Gamma. Good job, Gamma. He's all there, they're all there, they're all there. Use this, man. Use this. Eat it, boy. No, please don't. No, just kill him with the defibrillator, no balls. Kill him with the defibrillator. Be dead.
it's so accurate.
Yeah, accurate. That's like an Xbox. Ah, wait, come here.
Time to die.
Yeah! Fuck you.